All right, in this video, we need to multiply these two fractions together. Now, whenever I'm multiplying fractions, the first thing I look for are opportunities to cross cancel. So I could just multiply and go 9 times 4 equals 36, or we know it's going to be a positive times a negative is a negative. 16 times 9, I believe that's 144. I could do that, but then I have some big numbers to simplify, okay? So I'm instead going to look for opportunities to cross cancel, and this makes it much easier to do this problem without a calculator. So when you cross cancel, what you're doing is you're looking at numbers that are diagonal from each other that both can divide the same number. Well, I see the 9s, they both can divide by 9. So we're going to divide a 9 out of the top one up here, we're left with 1. Divide a 9 out of the bottom one down here. So it keeps these fractions to have the same value. Well, if I look at the 4 and 16, can we see a number that will go into both of those? Well, it looks like 4 will. I can divide 16 by 4. I'll have 4. I divide negative 4 by 4. I'm left with still I'll say negative 1. Make sure to scribble that out so we don't have it twice. And now we'll just multiply. So 1 times negative 1, multiply straight across the top. It's negative 1. 4 times 1 will just be 4. And that is our final answer. So either way will work. This one we could have simplified, divide by 36 on each side, and we still would have gotten 1/4 or negative 1/4. But I prefer the cross-canceling way, especially when the numbers get a little bit bigger.